Hey, how you doing? Pat here. I am getting ready to start Section 8 here in just a little bit, but I'm on my way to Section 8 and happen to have to take a detour, and holy moly, I run into gravel. I hope that's a good sign for the day. Well, Section 8 today that I'm taking north to south should take me basically from New Philadelphia, Ohio down to Loudonville, Ohio. Here we are getting back on the route. The route just starts a couple miles up that way based on how this is laid out. So here we are getting off of 250, making a right. And then at this light, if you take a left just down the road a little ways, is Matthias BMW that I talked about in the last video, in case you're on a Beamer and you want a bunch of nice people and a good dealership to go hang out at or buy something. Okay, darn horses startled me thinking they were deer coming around that corner. This road is called Mount Zion something or other. I forget, there was something after that, but it's basically just a single lane. You really got to watch these blind corners and things when you're coming around them. Oh geez, talk about rough, holy crap. Okay, my GPS doesn't make it overly clear, but I think I have to go that way. It says County Line Road. Okay, well, I hope this is the right direction. Kind of a terrible intersection. I'm gonna sound like a broken record on this trip, but kudos for laying this route out. These gravel roads have been very, very well graveled. The bike is skating all over the place. Okay, once I figure out what town I'm in, I'll place something here on the video, but I had to go make a special U-turn for this. Check this crap out. Wow. Just wow. What a heck of a way to let some trains die. I mean, I'm going to assume that blue one's an old Conrail. Huh. Check it out. I could walk down that way, but I'm not going to, just in case it's private property and there's a guy over here taking care of his yard. I'm not here to make anybody mad. Wow. That's pretty cool. If you want to make the side trip to see the trains, if you're coming from the north like I was, you'll be coming from where that bell is, down that road and making a right. If you're coming from the south, you'll be coming past this church, and instead of making that left on that road, you'll want to come down this road, and you can come see the train engines also. Well, for now, off of County Road 12, Township Road 215 is gravel. Miller Creek Township. We'll see what this does. This Township Road 215, I think it is, has been very small, very loose, very rough. Nothing but Amish. But it brings us back out to where we're supposed to be. So at least this part they're not paving. So maybe turn on to this off of 126. Or maybe they're going to pave this whole road at some point. Okay, so it's right by 217. I'll need that to map it. Yeah, the way they've graded this, maybe they're going to pave the whole road. Okay, Township Road 222 that I'm on right now has been no frickin' joke. It says no through traffic. I can see why. This is the first road that's been scaring the hell out of me. Holy crap, wow. Well, we turned left off of 83 to get on it, and now we're getting ready to turn right back onto 83. But yeah, that road was no joke. Be careful. It says Clark 222 Township, no through trucks. So if you want to avoid this route, just stay on 83 and avoid Township Road 222. It was a doozy. Wow. I'd say this is one of the first roads that's hard pack. Most everything so far today has been well graveled and loose. Township Road 20 here was hidden by the cornfield coming off of 520 back there. Had a hard time seeing it. I was supposed to go that way, but the bridge is out. County Road 23. It's okay. The cool thing I'm going to get to show you is right up here, basically where this dirt ends, and it's going to be pavement, the last little bit of this route, or the first bit if you're coming from the south. Something you may want to look up. It's pricey, but if you're in the area, it's called Landolls Castle, and it's right here. Landolls Mohican Castle Resort Restaurant, blah, blah, blah. I've been to their restaurant. It's okay. But I've never stayed there. Might be something you're interested in. I don't know. But since you're here, give it a shot. Check it out. Maybe you'll like it. Maybe you'll hate it. If you've made it this part of my video, if you would, just give me a thumbs up. I'd appreciate that. And if you haven't, please smash that subscribe button down below. Hit the bell. You know the drill. This route is all but in the books at this point of the trip. Let me just say, in closing of this route for the most part, what a route it has been. Holy crap. I mean, I've had everything to smooth state highways to downright scary gravel roads. Lots of deer. This route is a thumbs up route. I mean, here in this area that I know a little bit, there's a few things that could be done different, and I might map those out and submit them and see what he thinks about them. Because right now we're kind of on a bypass because the bridge is out. As we hit the outskirts of Loudonville here, this is Mohican. It's a huge, huge tourist trap during the summer. These parking lots will be just jam-packed. We're going to begin and start the route here at the Amoco station. You have Trails End Restaurant, which is where I'm going to end the route today.